Where are you going? Where are these on? Keep writing there. Hi.
Yeah.
Thank you, Noel.
He's playing it with the ball, Noel. Get him on the other ball.
Get the other ball.
Show him the other ball. Show him. His name's Ty. 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 Uh-oh, he's going to get up on the cake. Ty. Uh-oh.
He should throw it now so he sees it. Oh, he's too busy running.
Uh-oh. There he goes for the second one. Hey, you figured it out, Noel. Show it to him.
There's another one.
Ty!
Good boy. That's important.
Run and drag the ball.
Two puppies play.
Run, Noel. Run. Drag the ball. He's getting tired. He's tired. Yeah, no, he wants food. I've taught him how to sit. Good boy. Okay, good sit. He likes sitting. Good. Good, Noel's in there too. He sits good.
Take a picture.
Here.
Take a picture.
What do you mean take a picture?
We'll take a picture.
Is that it's on video?
It's on video right now.
Yeah.
Very good. He's a good boy. Good tie. We're done?
Now give us a Thailand.
Yeah, so now get him on the toy again.
Come on.
Drag the toy. Drag it.
Drag it.
Come on, run, Noel. Run in front of it, dragging it. There.
Good
job.
No, he's coming back.
Okay, we'll end it.